Okay, welcome my third graders to the 4.2 math spiral homework help video for Thursday. Okay, what is the value of the underlined number? This is the tens place, 80. This is the ones place, and the value is 4. Catherine went to the movies 4 times this week. Each time she went, she spent $8 on a movie ticket. How much money did she spend going to the movies this week? Okay, so she went 4 times, and each time she spent $8. So I'm drawing a picture. And then here you can kind of skip count 8, 16, 24, 32. It's the correct answer. Some of you could have gone 4 groups of 8. If you know your multiplication tables, you could have seen that this was just 4. Remember, the multiplication sign means groups of. So 4 groups of 8, or you could draw a picture. Find the quotient. Okay, for those kinds, you need to memorize your multiplication facts. That's definitely another thing you could be doing over this long break we have. Okay, find the area of the square. It's length times height. So this is 12 times 4, which is 48. If you're not sure what 12 times 4 is, you could use the distributive property, break apart the 12 into 6 times 4, and then another 6 times 4. So then you have 24, and 24 is 48. So you're breaking apart this array. If you could picture 12 groups of 4, there's an array, and you're just breaking it apart into 2 smaller arrays. So instead of a 12 by 4 array, you have 2 6 by 4 arrays. Okay? All right, so 48 is the correct answer. Okay, fill in the missing number. If the bottom number tells you how many parts make up the whole. So 6 parts make up a whole pizza. If I eat 6 out of 6, I've eaten 1 whole pizza. Okay, look at this bottom one here. What does the bottom number tells us? It tells us how many equal parts make up a whole pizza. Okay, so this is a pizza right here. Okay, 3 equal parts make up a whole pizza. But look at, this person's eaten 3 pizzas. So you're going to have to draw 3 pizzas. So now you have 3 pizzas. And remember, how many equal pieces make up 1 whole pizza? 3. But whatever number we put here has to equal 3 of these whole pizzas. So if I were to eat 3 pizzas, I'd have to eat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces to get my 3 whole pizzas. So 9 over 3 is the answer for that one. Okay, Jonathan has a bag of marbles. 4/8 of the marbles are red and 1/8 of the marbles are blue. Are there more red or blue marbles? Okay, for here you could draw 2 equal size pizzas. Gosh. Okay, it's easier to make rectangular pizzas than circular ones when you start cutting them up. Okay, and they both need to be 8 pieces. So you cut it in half, cut that in half, and then you cut each one of those halves in half. Same thing for this one, cut it in half, and then you got to cut that in half, and then you're going to cut those pieces in half. Okay, so I've made 2 pizzas that look kind of the same. All right, 4/8 will make the top one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/8 for the bottom one. Are there more red? Which one was red? Oh, the 4/8. There were 4/8 red and only 1/8 blue. Okay, so which one is there more? Oh, there's more red. I mean, When you make the same size pizzas and you put one on top of one another, it's easy to see which one's bigger, especially when the pizzas are cut into the same amount of pieces. That makes it a lot easier. So the answer is red. Okay, we did this homework yesterday, so let's go ahead and look at the Andy problem. Andy wakes up at 6:45. Before leaving for school, he takes 15 minutes to get dressed and 30 minutes to eat breakfast. What time does he leave for school? Okay, so we're going to need to start our number line here at 6:45 a.m. Before leaving for school, he takes 15 minutes to get dressed. So 15 minutes, that takes us to 7 a.m. and 30 minutes to eat breakfast. So you can see here, we're just taking jumps. What time does he leave for school? I guess he leaves right after he eats at 7:30 a.m. Okay, hopefully this helps you with the math homework for 4.2 Thursday's column.